Hey, this is Charlie. Today I'm going to give you 3 reasons why your woman is not having a squirting orgasm. Now, you may be trying to have one, maybe you've been trying for a while, maybe you've never tried, maybe you don't have ever heard about a squirting orgasm. If you've never heard about it, make sure you watch this video. If you know what a squirting orgasm is, or female ejaculation, you can call it however you want. If you know what it is and you've been trying and you're not actually getting there and your woman is frustrated and you are frustrated and you don't know what to do, make sure you watch this video because there's 3 main reasons why that's not happening. Now, the first reason is very simple and it's the most important one. You're probably making this a goal. You're making having a squirting orgasm or having ejaculation a goal. And if you make it a goal, most likely you will never get there because you're putting too much pressure on what you're trying to get. And if you make an orgasm a goal, she's going to have the pressure. You as a man, if you're watching, you're going to have the pressure. You're going to be trying so hard to give her a squirting orgasm that's probably not going to happen because her mind is going to be blocked. Why is it going to be blocked? Because if she's not being able to actually release her sphincters and release herself and let it go out, it will never come out. You see, for a squirting orgasm to occur, a woman must be very relaxed. And this sounds a bit strange because many women or many of us think about an orgasm and we're like, I'm going to have an orgasm, and we tense up. And really, she has to do the opposite. She has to actually let it go. Because she's going to have the urge to pee. What's going to happen? She's going to be having the sensation that she has to pee. So what do you do when you have to pee and you don't want to pee? You flinch, you contract, your muscles get tense. So it will never come out. So if you're making it a goal, if you're making like, let's go and I'm going to make you squirt and we're going to have it tonight or today. If you're trying to do that, you most likely will never ever get there. So, first thing, don't make it a goal. Enjoy the ride. Make it a fun game. Make it a game. Actually, enjoy yourself. Just, let's do this. Let's make it a game. Make it a fun thing to do and see what happens. Without any expectations, without any worry, without anything. Just simply enjoy the ride. Make it a journey. Don't make it a goal. That's the first reason. Second reason, maybe you're doing the wrong thing. Maybe you're not stimulating it the right way. This can happen, but if she's ready to have the orgasm, most likely it's not about the technique, but technique can be a problem. If you don't know how to do it, make sure you visit this video and watch that video. Actually, to stimulate that area, which is the G-spot area, which is up on the top of the vagina, the upper front wall of the vagina, about 1.5 inches inside, you're going to use your hands, you're going to use your fingers, and you're going to do a come here motion, or you're going to actually do the bullhorn technique, which is like this. This is a more advanced technique, and you're just going to press up. Now, if she's ready to have the squirting orgasm or to ejaculate, she's actually full of fluid, she's going to do it. She's going to have it if she releases it because it's going to actually automatically happen. It will happen automatically if she's ready for it. So technique is most likely not the problem, but make sure you watch that video and make sure you start doing this technique of this come here motion or tapping on that area, that reached area, sort of like a wrinkled area in the upper front wall of the vagina. And the third reason why she's not ejaculating could be that you're not stimulating and arousing her enough. Now, for a woman to have an ejaculation, she needs to be so aroused, she needs to be so ready, she needs to be so full of fluid in the urethral sponge that actually she can ejaculate. She has to be so aroused that you most likely are not taking the time to get her aroused. And this is very, very important. If a woman is not aroused and you try to give her a squirting orgasm, she might actually feel pain, and she's not going to it's not going to be even close. It's impossible. So before you actually start stimulating the G-spot, like I told you just before, You need to get her so ready for it. You need to get her so aroused. And to get a woman aroused, you cannot just touch her clitoris or just touch her boobs. You need to do very slow. So what I recommend, actually get a nice place to do this. Make sure that you have nice ambience, nice scents, you're actually away from everything, and you can actually concentrate on just enjoying yourselves. When you do that, you make sure that you actually do some games, do some foreplay, make sure, tease her a lot. Teasing a woman can make her really actually very aroused and very horny. Okay, so make sure you do all these games. There's many games you can do. This video I'm not going to talk about the games, but there's so many things you can actually do to make her get aroused. Do them, use toys if you want, but make sure that before you actually start doing the come here motion on the G-spot, she's very aroused. It's the only way. If you're not doing these three things, you probably are going to be very frustrated. You're not going to actually be able to give her this squirting orgasm. You're not going to be able to squirt. So one thing that I recommend a lot is that actually the woman does it on her own first, maybe using a toy or maybe using her fingers, whatever you want to do, so that she can actually know a little bit more about what she's about to do. But if you're doing it as a couple, make sure that you do all these things. Make sure you do all these things, because if not, you're going to be very frustrated, and it's going to be difficult for it to actually happen. So thank you for watching this video. I'm here to serve you, to help you become a better lover, to give your sex life a boost, to get your sex life to the next level, and you have more pleasure and more fun when you have sex. Make sure you visit my website right here for more information about sex and sex videos and sex courses, and make sure you subscribe to my channel down there, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.